Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to link your Ubisoft Connect account with PlayStation step by step, so let's get started. First, click on your browser and type Ubisoft Connect account in the search bar and press enter, then click on the first official website. If you already have an account, sign in by entering your credentials and click on the login button. Once you log in, you will see your Ubisoft dashboard. Now click on account information and scroll down until you see the option to connect more accounts. Here you will find PlayStation linking option, so click on the PlayStation link button. After that, click on continue and you will be redirected to PlayStation login page. If you already have a PlayStation account, sign in with your email and password, and your Ubisoft account will be successfully linked. If you don't have a PlayStation account, you can create one by adding your details, then complete the process and link it with Ubisoft. Once everything is done, your accounts will be connected and ready to use for games and progress sync. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.